In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to put stop loss on IBKR, also known as Interactive Brokers. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Interactive Brokers like you usually would, and then from here you'll need to log into your account. Once you get inside of your account, it should look something like this, where you can see your portfolio up here. But from here, you'll need to find the specific stock that you want to add a stop loss to. Once you've found the specific stock, it should look something like this, where you can see the charts over here, and you'll be able to buy sell order over here. From here, you'll need to open up this lightning strike over here, and then go over to buy order. From here, you'll be able to add in the quantity, where you can choose either shares or a specific USD. You can add whether it should be a limit order, a market order, or you can also choose over here if it should be a stop limit or stop loss over here. From here, you'll add a limit price, and you can also add a stop price down here. From here, once you've done all that, you'll just simply click submit by order. And then from here, this order confirmation will pop up, and you'll just need to click transit. And as you can see, order submitted over here. And once it gets filled, it'll go over into the portfolio and it'll open up orders. And once it gets filled, it will go over to positions over here. But that's how I do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!